Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will show you that how you will download and install PDF for your Android mobile and for your computer and laptop. Let's go. First you will go to Google and here you will search Adobe Reader. After that, if you want to install it for your Android mobile, then just you will click on this install and you will go to Play Store, and from here you will install it for your Android phone. And if you want to install it for your computer or laptop, then you will just go down and you will click on this one. So you will wait. After that you will click on this install. Okay, and after that it will install in your computer, your laptop, and then after that I hope you will run it, and the other easy process you will complete so faster. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.